My name is Stranger Invader. My name is Stranger Invader, and I will be reading to you, my dearest people, from the poems of Martin Carter from Guyana. University of Hunger. Is the University of Hunger the wide waste? Is the pilgrimage of man the long march? The print of hunger wanders in the land, the green tree bends above the long forgotten, the plains of life rise up and fall in spasms, the roofs of men are fused in misery. They come treading in the hoof marks of the mule, passing the ancient bridge, the grave of pride, the sudden flight, the terror and the time. They come from the distant village of the flood, passing from Middle Air to Middle Earth in the common hours of nakedness. Twin bars of hunger mark their metal brows. Twin seasons mock them, parching drought and flood. Is the dark ones, is the half sunken in the land, is they who had no voice in the emptiness, in the unbelievable, in the shadowless. They come treading on the mud floor of the year, mingling with dark, heavy water and the sea sound of the eyeless flitting bat. Oh, long is the march of men, and long is the life, and wide is the span. Is air dust, and the long distance of memory is the hour of rain when sleepless toads are silent. Is broken chimneys smokeless in the wind? Is brown trash huts and jagged mounds of iron? They come in long lines toward the broad city. Is the golden moon like a big coin in the sky? Is the floor of bone beneath the floor of flesh? Is the beak of sickness breaking on the stone? Oh, long is the march of men, and long is the life, and wide is the span. Oh, cold is the cruel wind blowing. Oh, cold is the hole in the ground. They come like seabirds, flapping in the wake of a boat. Is the torture of sunset in purple bandages? Is the powder of fire spread like dust in the twilight? Is the water melodies of white foam on wrinkled sand? The long streets of night move up and down, bearing the thighs of a woman and the cavern of generation. The beating drum returns and dies away. The bearded men fall down and go to sleep. The cocks of dawn stand up and crow like bugles. Is they who rose early in the morning, watching the moon die in the dawn? Is they who heard the shell blow and the iron clang? Is they who had no voice in the emptiness, in the unbelievable, in the shadowless? Oh, long is the march of men, and long is the life, and wide is the span. This is the dark time, my love. This is the dark time, my love. All round the land brown beetles crawl about. The shining sun is hidden in the sky. Red flowers bend their heads in awful sorrow. This is the dark time, my love. It is the season of oppression, dark metal, and tears. It is the festival of guns, the carnival of misery. Everywhere the faces of men are strained and anxious. Who comes walking in the dark night time? Whose boot of steel tramps down the slender grass? It is the man of death, my love, the strange invader, watching you sleep and aiming at your dream. From Suite of 5 Poems, number 4. I will always be speaking with you, and if I falter, and if I stop, I will still be speaking with you in words that are not uttered, are never uttered, never made into the green sky, the green earth, the green, green love. And I was bathing by the sea, and there was a gull, a white gull, so far, so far. I saw the weak wing flutter long before it did, and the webbed foot dip long before it did, and the sudden wave, and the scarlet-tinted foam of a sunset burning like fire, already gold in flames.